definitely have a bird theme here.
Keen analysis.
You ready?
Yep. Do you have a guess as to what this is about?
Thanksgiving. Are you trying to turn me into a birder?
What do you think this is about?
Are you accusing me of being a birder?
What makes you say it's about a bird?
It's a bird. Oh boy. This looks like you.
Oh my god! You're still supposed to read the instructions out loud.
I'm reading the last line. Figure out how much time I have because you tricked me on the last one.
That was a good face.
This is a real species of bird.
This is a real species of bird. Describe what the bird looks like to someone who's never seen it in 20 seconds or less.
Describe what this bird looks like to someone who has never seen it in 20 seconds or less. You have 1 minute to think about your description before your time starts. Most accurate and humorous description wins.
Were you surprised that it was about a bird with all those birds sitting there?
No, I thought it would be about a cute bird.
A cute bird?
Yeah.
Is that not a cute bird?
You have 1 minute to think about your description before your time starts. Most accurate and humorous description wins. So I already did the task.
Alright, I think I'm ready.
All right, you're ready? Wow, okay. No messing around.
All right. This bird has a really wide beak at the base of its head. Its eyes are really far apart and it's really ugly. And their babies are hideous. And some of them have 2 heads.
Alright. This bird is very short and squat. It does not have a neck. It has a very wide and narrow beak. Very wide set eyes. It looks like tree bark. And it looks like something out of a nightmare.
That's good. Time. Something out of a nightmare. That's a good description. Your time starts now.
This looks like a balding man with a really wide mouth with really bushy eyebrows that has fallen into a pit of chocolate and is now resurfaced from it and is dripping the chocolate down his face.
This is a little creature who's a bird, and he looks like a big pile of doo-doo with a red nose and very wide part eyes. He has a baby underneath that he looks like he's sitting on top of. It's pretty scary. They look like they have like moss growing on them. White moss, or what's that called? The lichen. They look like they have lichen.
Time is
And they have big mouths.
This bird is clearly a species of baby owl.
okay.
However, it does resemble if Jabba the Hutt grew a beak
Mm-hmm.
and then sat on his brother, who was also Jabba the Hutt with a beak, but maybe a little bit mixed more with Chewbacca. Additionally, he does look like he has been possessed by some sort of evil spirit.
Okay, well, your time's up. That is a good description. That's kind of mean to the bird.
Maybe it shouldn't be so ugly.